Introducing RapidRydes, a ride-sharing application in the USA offering many benefits to its customers. Number 1. Support drivers directly, because you deserve more. No third-party commission, your money, your ride, your savings. Low fare, no more breaking the bank, quality rides at affordable prices. No surge pricing, no cancellation fee, freedom to choose. Fair negotiation, your ride, your terms. Verified, professional and experienced drivers. Modify map for easy tracking and comfort, navigate your way with ease. In-car credit card charge, pay on the go, convenience at your fingertips. Rest easy with verified, professional and experienced drivers. Join us in reshaping the ride-hailing. Scan our QR codes now and enjoy your journey. Available on both Android and iOS.